Add onion, tomato, ginger, and a half cup of water. Grind to a smooth paste. Set instant pot on saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons oil, bay leaf, and onion tomato paste. Cook for 4 minutes. Add turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder and salt. Mix spices and cook for 1 more minute. Add all vegetables. Cashews and coconut milk. Mix all the ingredients well. Cancel saute mode. Close the lid and set instant pot on pressure cook mode for 1 minute. Release pressure manually and open lid. Add honey and kasuri methi. Mix well. Navratan korma is ready. Serve with roti and rice. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.